Yes, so as I was saying, this is the initial value. A is initial values of A and N that I assigned just entering the main method, and after that we take the input in N, and as I have assigned it to A just before the loop started. So so N is basically the number of lines that the user enters at runtime. So let us say for this time it is 5. So user has entered 5. So N is 5. So I is we need to run the loop 5 times for 5 lines. There are no spaces here, so we do not need to deal with spaces. So one nested loop less. We have got the mother loop and the nested loop dealing with the stars only. And so let us dry run to see how we are getting the stars printed displayed here on screen. So I is initially 0. 0 is less than 5, yes. So it enters the nested loop here. It enters the loop and eventually the nested loop. J is initialized to 0. 0 is less than 5. A is 5 here. Yes, 5. So 1 star printed. The first star printed here. Then J is incremented to 1. 1 is less than 5. Incremented by 1. Then condition testing, 1 is less than 5. Yes. So one more star is printed. Then J is incremented to 2. 2 is less than 5. Yes. Then 3 less than 5, yes. Then 4 less than 5, yes. So 5 stars are printed for values of J 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then J is incremented to 5, and 5 is less than 5, no. So it breaks out of the loop and comes to this line wherein A is decremented by 1. Because in the next line we have got only 4 stars, so A is decremented by 1. If in the next line we have had only 3 stars, so A would have been decremented by 2 here. A equal to A minus 2 instead of 1. So in that case the pattern would have been 5 stars in the first line, 3 stars in the second line, 1 star. Like this in the third line. But here there are 5 lines here. So system.out.print, as you see, I have used print here, not ln, as it happens a new line. So print, 1 star is printed. Adjacent to each other, the stars are getting printed. Okay, so you might as well incorporate a space here after the star. Just one space. It would span, it would look a little bigger. For this program, yes, this if you can incorporate a space in between the stars, just type here a space, star space. Anyways, so A is now 4. And I is now 1. So now, before coming out of the mother loop, it prints a new line here, new line, and comes here. Now I is 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes. N equal to 5, right? 1 is less than 5. Yes. So it enters the loop, and A's value is now 4. A's value is now 4. So J is initialized to 0. 0 less than 4? Yes. So 1 star printed here. Then 0 is less than, then J is incremented to 1. 1 is less than 4? Yes. So another star printed. Then 2, another star is printed, then 3, the last star is printed. 3 is less than 4, yes. Now j is incremented to 4. 4 is not less than 4, so it breaks out, and a is decremented by 1 yet again, and a is now 3. I is now I is now 2. I is incremented here to 2. 2 is less than 5. N is 5. Yes. So the loop is run one more time with value of a as 3, and stars are printed for values of j 0, 1, 2 until 2, right? 2 is less than 3. Yes. So 3 stars printed. Then when j is incremented to 3, 3 is not less than 3, so it breaks out of the loop, and a is decremented by 1, and a becomes 2 now. And I is incremented by 1 to 3. 3 is less than 5, yes. So 3 is less than 5, it runs the loop one more time, and we are on the 4th line, right? In the 4th line, it enters the nested loop. J is initialized to 0. 0 is less than 2. Value of a is 2 now, so 0 is less than 2, yes. So 1 star printed. J is incremented to 1. 1 is less than 2. Condition checking, yes. 1 more star is printed. Then j is incremented by 1, 3. J is 3 now. 3 is not, sorry, j is 2 now. 0, 1, 2. 2 is not less than 2, so it breaks out, and a is decremented to 1. A is now 1. Alright, so a is now 1. Sorry, a is now 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. I is now 4. For the last time the loop runs, I is 4. N is 5. So 4 less than 5, yes. And it enters the loop, and it executes the nested loop. Here j is initialized to 0. 0 is less than 1. A value of a is 1 now, so 0 is less than 1, so one time the star is printed. Now j is incremented to 1, sorry. So 1 is less than 1? No, so it breaks out. A is decremented by 1, value of a is now 0, but I is incremented to 5, but 5 is not less than 5, so it breaks out of the mother loop. That is the logic of this program. I will upload the entire program. I will upload in Facebook and provide a link. Okay, so like this, there are patterns like this. Okay, here also we have got, then there is a pattern like this where every row 2 stars are incremented. So this is the logic behind it. I will be uploading all the programs. You can dry run like this and print patterns like this. Okay, so I hope these are very basic concepts. So if they had been useful to you, do click on like and share. Like my videos and share them, and subscribe to my channel. Actually, you can even go through my Facebook profile. I've got lots of recipes in my profile, so you will enjoy them too. Anyways, so take care everyone. uh, Stay safe and happy. Bye bye.